Reflecting on 10 years in education, I have really tremendously enjoyed my time being able to work with Fox Valley Virtual because I feel I've been able to better connect with not only my students, but with their families. I'm able to give each student more one-on-one time and more small group time.
I love that Fox Valley Virtual has the live blocks every day with the kids. There's still structure, there's still a classroom structure to Fox Valley Virtual, whereas a lot of the other programs, they just give them the work to do and there's recordings they can watch and it's kind of your own pace.
Fox Valley Virtual, they offered a after-school literacy program, all paid for by the school, which helped Mia a lot, especially in that first year. And I didn't ever think I was going to see my daughter Mia just enjoy reading the way she does.